What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Kimberly, the Bougie Boss Nurse. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you like my content, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you are already a part of the Bougie Boss gang, thank you guys for the continued support. As you can tell from the title of my video, I'm going to show you guys how I keep my lash extensions clean. Very quick tutorial, very minimal products that you need. And let's get right into it. First, you're going to start off with your lash bath. You want to put some in your hand, into your clean hand. And then you'll take your brush, run it under the water. Put it into the lash bath, which is already sudsy, which is good. And you'll get a generous amount and put it onto your eyelid, your lash line, and all over your lashes. On this part, guys, you don't have to be too gentle. You don't want to be too rough, but you can actually, you know, put your little back into it. Get in there to get it all clean. If you lose some lashes at this point, it's okay. It's natural. Just like natural lashes, your extensions will fall off as well. Want to make sure you get them very clean. Now you want to rinse your eyelashes off with cool water. Get the lash bath off. Again, use cool water to wash off the lash bath. And then you want to get a towel and pat dry your lashes and around your eye, just to get some of the excess water off. Then you want to take your eyelash brush and brush your lashes in the direction that the lashes are going. Get close to your lash line. Brush them upward. Now you want to take your fan and blow dry. And as you're blow drying, comb them in the direction that your lashes are going. This will keep them neat and fluffy and keep them looking fresh. Now you should have clean lashes. The lash line is clean and you are good to go. Make sure you do it on both eyes. Alright guys, so that was a simple technique. All you want to do is do that to both eyes and then you're done. And just keep doing that. I do mine every day. Or if I don't do it every day, I do it at least 3 to 4 times a week. If not more. But it really keeps my lashes clean and keep them fluffy and keep them looking nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Hope it's helpful to somebody. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.